The market's pulled back a bit by day's end. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, July 21st, 2015. And we're taking a look here at the spiders down 0.4%, the diamonds down almost a full percent, which is the Dow 30. NASDAQ almost a break even, down just a bit. Small caps down 0.42%, banks off by about the same, silver up 0.64%, but gold dropping by 0.31%. VIX dissipating, also dropping, which is fear. Fear dropped by nearly 1%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider SPY, and today we have a lower high and a lower low. If I click here on the little light bulb, you'll see that I added a sell signal here at the top. Not overly confident in this one. All I know is we're starting to pull back, but I'm just not convinced we're going to bleed out and have a significant drop here. However, because we hit our head at resistance and because we have a lower high and a lower low, so we have our pivot candle, so that happened, I'm going to go ahead and say a sell here. Market's looking a little topsy. So I looked for a pullback, maybe to the rising 20-day moving average, which should be a bull pullback, and then a bounce perhaps. But nonetheless, we are looking to drop right now. The Dow had a significant drop, big gap and a drop, found support at the 20-day moving average. It rallied up from that, but a big drop on nice size volume. The NASDAQ here, stalemate, but the NASDAQ has been on fire. We do have a lower high, higher low, inside trading day, and it's just a sideways lateral move. Volume ticked higher on today's action. Question is, will this start to drop to round out the week here? Because we got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Will we see 3 big red candlesticks? That's what I'm watching for. As far as the Russell's concerned, Russells have already been dropping, so whatever the Russell's been doing is what the rest of the markets should do. So we do have a little drop here. We have a lower swing high, so this is the beginning of a down trend that we're seeing here. As far as the banks are concerned, we can't get over this resistance point. Resistance, we dropped. Resistance started to drop. We broke through it today, but we dropped again. So a lot of downside opportunity here on the financials. Silver, as we said, was in bullish territory, but not by much. We're still hovering down here in these horrible low areas. Gold, same thing. It's just puked all over the place. Just is down, down, down. Here's the dollar. US dollar dropped today substantially. I mean, it was down nearly 0.8%. And even with such a nice drop, the market still ended up in bearish territory. Normally, when you have such a drop here on prices, you expect gold and silver to drop, but silver actually went bullish. But with the US dollar, dropping in price, but we did not see the markets go stronger. Stocks were at a discount today, and people did not take advantage of that. As far as the VIX is concerned, we had this nice pop. Now we're dropping, and it looks a little like we're starting to bottom here, like the VIX is ready to go higher. If so, that means fear would be coming in, and the markets would go bearish if that's the case. Woo! So we're busy at work here, gearing up for the mentorship in Vegas, and per usual, make sure you go to groktrade.com and check out all the goodies that we have there.